Hi there, Madeline from Sonar here, and today I'm bringing you the first ever episode of From My Desk to Yours mini, the baby sister of the From My Desk to Yours series, where we go over one feature in 1 minute or less. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Last time we were together, we were talking about first-time fix rates. Today I want to talk about what happens after your job is successfully completed and you want to bill your customer for the service call out. We can automatically do this using one simple setting on your job types in Sonar. Here's how. Let's navigate to your settings in your instance, and under scheduling, choose job types. You can access this feature by creating a job or editing an existing one. And all you're going to do is under the services section here, choose your predefined service that you'd like to charge for when this job is successfully completed. In this case, we're going to charge $20 once we've successfully completed our commercial installation. So we will click Save. And only when this job is successfully completed will that $20 be charged to the account. You don't need to worry if the job is failed. It will not appear under the transactions on your customer account. And that's it. I hope this tiny feature saves you a ton of time.